Kids love toys, but they can burn a deep hole in your pocket, especially if you have to keep replacing dirty, broken ones. Hi, my name is Hajra, and today I will show you how to clean and maintain your kids' toys so that they last longer. When it comes to stuffed toys, you should always check your label before cleaning. Most of them can be washed in a gentle cycle, but you should never throw them in a dryer unless you are trying to shrink or mold them. They are majorly made of polyester and will never be the same after a soak. Instead, use a microfiber cloth and a mild detergent to wipe the toy clean. For plush toys, avoid machine washing altogether. For electrical toys, check and replenish the batteries frequently. Battery leaks can be the main culprits for toy malfunctioning. I prefer to remove the batteries when the toy is not in use and reinsert them as needed. For toys with gears and wheels like wind-ups, ensure frequent lubrication with oil or WD-40. WD-40 can come very handy for maintaining toys like cars, cycles or scooters. Simply spray WD-40 on the chrome and metal parts of the toy to remove grease and rust and lubricate them. An added benefit of using WD-40 is that it will not only lubricate the toy but also keep rust at bay. Finally, for wooden toys, scrub the surface with sandpaper to avoid splinters. Then spray WD-40 on clean, dry cloth and use it to wipe the entire surface. WD-40 adds a coat of protection and also adds a great shine to the toys. There you have it, fellow parents. With these simple steps and hacks, you can ensure that your kids' toys last longer.